welcome back to my vlog channel, guys. So a few of my subscribers are here with me, taking a little tour of my farm. So we have already we entered. So you didn't see the beginning, but we're now going through and I'm showing them what's going on the farm. These are some little cocoa coming up.
Okay.
These ones over there. The thing is, when the rain falls, it doesn't fall for long. So it's like the farm, it takes a while to fall too. So it will take all 2 to 3 weeks before we get any rain. So
Right.
yeah, so it sucks the water. Yeah, so it gets dry really quick. This is my carrot.
Oh,
Yes. But we will have to pull out some of the carrots.
is it too much?
Yes, and if it's bundled up like this, it won't be big. They will come small.
You want them to sell?
Yeah, so Scotty said he's going to come and take out some of the bigger, smaller ones and leave the bigger ones.
So he's gonna transplant them, or he's just gonna.
He's saying that because carrots have one straight root, when you take it out, it is hard to catch it back. It doesn't. Normally people don't transplant it
Okay.
because it's very hard to catch back once you move it.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do next time though is do it in a row. But this is generally how most Jamaicans do it. They just scatter the seed and then the carrots come up. But I want to do it in a row and see how it works for me doing it in a row instead of just scattering the seed.
Okay, and that's pineapple over there.
Yes, we have pineapple down here. And over there as well we have some pineapples. But what I want to do is make like a pathway. But as you can see, this farm is relatively new. So I'm going to make a pathway so anytime anybody else come,
Right.
they can just, have a nice pathway to walk and view what's going on. So those ones were planted recently. This one was planted about a month ago. Those over there are about 2 months or almost 2 months old.
You want rain?
Yeah, they need some rain. But they have catch off, they have all catch off.
Okay.
Yeah, but
So
they
all
need,
down there is yours?
I'm going to clean from that section, go all the way across. Because it's leased land, it's not my land.
Oh.
My grandfather had leased this land from Alpart, and then I just pay him back the lease. So I lease it back from him, basically.
Okay.
Over that side now, I'll go over that side. I have string beans and I have a nice, careful of the wire. I have a nice pumpkin over there.
Go too far.
Huh?
You don't have to go too far.
No, I don't have to go far at all.
Take road that way.
Yeah, I'm gonna lead the way. We have corn and we have 3 different varieties of corn. We have a purple, we have sweet corn, and I forgot the name of the other. It's our original Jamaican corn.
Oh yeah.
So it's 3 different type of corns we planted.
Archie good?
Yeah man, Archie is alright. This is a different variety of sweet potato. And for the love of God, I cannot remember the name. They told me so many times what it's called. I think they call it shrimp, but there's another name for it too.
Okay.
That's also a different variety. It's different from this one. You can see the leaves.
You're right.
And in this potato field, we have 3 different varieties of potato as well. We have Uplifter, Mad Mary, and one that they call Clarendon.
What's that? That's it.
Oh, that's a wild flower.
bush?
Yeah. It's gonna bloom either purple or white.
Okay.
Right here now we have okra coming up. This is okra. Yes. And this is what you guys call parsley or porcelain.
Parsley?
Yes, the wild one.
Oh, the wild one.
Yeah, but it's very good for your blood.
Oh, you
And
drink it?
and they say you eat it, you steam it and cook it like calamari.
Calamari.
Yeah. I had some the other day with callaloo. It was very
It was
good.
good.
Yeah. So we have some African okra there coming up. And some of them are local okra, but this is the African okra. And more planting over there. Not sure if this is banana or planting. I know that's planting. Yeah. Up here now we have more corns going up. These were planted recently though. This is sweet cassava.
Mm.
And this is my baby coming up here.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
Yes. We have a pumpkin coming up there. And over here now, you have to come up a little further. Careful of your step. So you see, this is no, that's the cassava.
Cassava?
Yes, it looks like papaya.
Mm-hmm.
This is the plant that you saw that you were asking me what it was. So sometimes it blooms purple, sometimes white.
That's the one we have from there. The tea bush. They call it it's bitter. The one that
It's a tea?
that's daisy. It's the one we have, I think, is daisy.
The white
These
one?
leaves look different.
No, these I think these are different. These are wild. So these are some dasheen.
Oh.
But these dasheen are kind of suffering because they love water.
Oh, you're not going to get a jumpsuit.
I have a drum, I just got it. Yeah. So we have some
Even
other
if the rainwater, it really won't.
baby dasheens. And we have, these are some little okra we plant up. Over here is where I'm going to do my Irish potato. But over that side, over that little section over there, those row, we planted some from the UK. It's called red, I can't remember the name, red something. And right there where you see those two beds with the bushes on it, we have some parsnip and some turnip. And at the top, right at the top there, we planted some cocoa again. And over to that section, some little variety carrots. That we're just trying, you know.
Yes, we'll see what
And
comes.
if somebody comes on the farm, you know, once they're ready, I'm able to give them something.
I'm sure.
Yeah. Well, the variety carrot, I don't have a lot, so I won't sell those. Those down at the bottom I can sell from. Yeah. We have some little okra coming up, but they're suffering, they need water.
We have been praying for the rain to come. It come half
These
away.
are string beans.
Okay, this one?
Yes, that's string beans. So all of this going up now is string beans.
But you have to put them to run?
No,
Maybe not.
no, it doesn't. It doesn't run at all. Yeah. And this right here is not beetroot. What is it called? Eggplant. This is an eggplant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where is the daughter?
She's actually over there. Her friend is there, her cousin.
Okay.
So she's over here is my grandfather's Kellyanne. She's in her room. She didn't hear the bus.
Oh, you can hear it.
No, she didn't hear. Where? Where?
Right to your shoulder there.
What you do?
Huh?
What you did there?
Make keep up around this.
Oh yeah? I never see it.
You never see it? Yeah, mommy there yesterday. About the time I made me there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now come to the fence.
Oh.
I say, alright?
Yeah, but me not think me I gotta do it because me realize it's too stony.
Huh?
Me not think me I bring it to the fence because over there is too stony.
Oh, well, you just make one heap cross up.
Me I gotta do it come to about the middle.
Huh?
Me want to clean it up come to about the middle because it don't make sense me clean up so much land and appear stone.
Yeah, you see the front here, so?
Yeah.
To the wire fence here?
Yeah.
Take choppy and pile up here and go right over it.
And do what?
When you dry your bunny and pop on out it, and clear out here, you don't have no place there, so?
Oh, just clear it out.
Yeah, man, burn out here, man.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Are your duty?
I'm telling you what to do.
All right. He's the one who's gonna do it. So.
Alright.
All right. So right here you can see we have potato coming up. See that? That's a potato.
Is it red potato?
Yes. But this
What is
potato,
mushy?
it's not ready. It's not ready, so we cover it back.
A baby.
Yeah. It's a bit difficult to step back. We have maca, so you go before me.
No, man, this one is
Oh, okay. Just look where I'm stepping and step. The same spot. Just be careful.
used to be.
Oh,
Yeah, very much gathering.
me broke to the man. This carrot we realized it something was eating it.
Oh, that's bitter.
Yeah. This we recently did this, you know.
They didn't come and help you when you're planting, but they're reaping, right?
Nah, no, it's not somebody repeating.
I know,
Oh.
this animal, whatever.
Oh, the
eat it.
animal, yeah. Look, I saw two that was eaten right there. And Scotty was saying it looked like it's rat coming in here already. So we're going to have to set up
Yes,
some
they're
rat.
eating their leaves. Like something
Yeah,
eating,
it's worm.
Mm.
We sprayed it with the organic fertilizer a couple of days ago.
Okay.
Yeah. Because the organic fertilizer, it's liquid, but it helps to you know, like insects and bugs and worms.
For the prevent it.
It keeps them away. Yeah. My hands are dirty.
Thank you, sir. Oh, thank you.
My hands are dirty.
Well, I'm not going to put it in your mouth. So.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Oh, boy.
Do you want this one?
So how you like the farm?
Good. You're doing great.
Yes. And hoping to expand. When I take up the sweet potato, I think I'm going to put carrot in this location. But I have some drip irrigation hose that I'm going to put over there on the Irish potato. I'm not going to give it too much water. Just when it needs water, I'll turn it on it. But because I got the drip system and this drum from RADA, which is the Rural Agricultural Development Authority. Yeah, you have
the red
to.
one kind of sourish, but the black one sweet.
Yeah, you have to put it up so when they come to check, they see that you're actually using what you get.
Okay.
So I have to use up the irrigation. Because I was planning to use the irrigation hose on my cabbage.
Right.
But I'm not ready to plant the cabbage. And I had gotten these Irish potato seeds from them as well.
Okay.
So I wanted to make sure when they come, they see Irish
see
potato
what-
plant and the drum is up and the hose are being used.
All right.
Yeah. Plum is in the tree, but it's because there's so much maca underneath the tree. Like when they chop it, they should have just moved the maca from around it. So now, if the cool plum drops, you can't get it. How does it taste?
Good.
Yeah. This one is not the sweet one, but it's not bad. Yeah. Let's see if I can get another one. Why? Whoa! Coolie plum? Oh, you're asking your sister where she know it.
Me eat you.
Careful. You eat coolie plum before? Oh.
What's that? Me tell her she bite it.
You don't know it? Ms.Sylvia, Skully.
Ms.Sylvia, as me see her here.
How you know?
Me just,
Oh, you know.
remember, I speak to you on the phone.
But I didn't say nothing.
Yeah, but the voice alone, you know, make me realize you have
Morning.
Auntie Sylvia. So what's up? Good.
Nothing much, how are you?
Yeah, Just there, chilling. Yeah, man, you see him to you, Ms.Sylvia. I'm glad to see you to come the one who own you, Ms.Sylvia. Because it's a nice lady, you know.
Me too.
Yeah. Very nice lady.
Thank you very much. That's
I'm
my
a-
sister.
Yes, that's her
I'm
sister.
Yeah, man. When you say Ms.Sylvia wants to cool it from them, oh,
One of you ripe one.
anything for you, Ms.
But
Sylvia.
watch here,
Yeah,
it's pure
sir.
maca that I
Look
did
on
see.
Me find them and I find them for you, Ms. Sylvia. Don't worry about that. Find what? Look, the stick and come, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Get a stick and come, yeah?
Only thing we don't get is the one down the bottom.
What the plum?
The
Sweet sap.
no, the one you gave me, from the.
Oh, the mulberry, them finish.
Finish.
She not get
You
none of
eat them
mulberry.
all.
No,
Them hard
only
man.
2 she get with you.
No.
Yes.
You
Oh,
eat them
my
all.
No. You tell me and I picked them last time for a very long time.
Oh my gosh, why you pick me up when I didn't see that?
Yeah. That look green they actually fit and can eat.
You don't go there.
The one with the umbrella, the daughter.
Mm-mm.
The other one.
Yeah. That's,
Oh, she look like you.
yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Happy New Year to both of you.
You too.
Thank you.
Azenia,
Please. See ya.
I know you would upset if I come and you didn't see me, right?
Please, this year. I'm more than happy. Right
Thank you.
oh,
I
you get
swear.
quite a few coolie plum.
Yeah, you go. All right. That one, let that one go.
Miss Miss put it in your pocket.
More leaf.
Thank you very much. Good. Enjoy them so much.
They're nice. Yeah, it tastes different. But Skully is the right man to get them.
Yeah, man.
Skully's getting a lot.
Never nice. Watch it.
What's your
Me
hand?
take a minute. Me look
Yeah.
something here, yeah?
No, we have bag down there.
Yeah, alcohol white plastic bag, yeah. Come fit up. Yeah, give me alcohol bag. Because I know you don't stay too long, so I get a go. So what you want?
That's a good like feeling.
All you have to do is wash them because they're,
Oh yeah.
they're freshly picked.
I want to see sweet like sugar.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Auntie Bear, me say me know me just pick 1 5 pound bag full of your Auntie Bear. 1 baking powder bucket full, you know?
Yeah?
1 baking powder bucket full. Me just pick off a cheek, you give one lady over the sun, Auntie Bear.
Yeah.
1 baking powder bucket full.
They want to go play.
Okay.
She just wanted to come meet you. So you're not telling her it's nice to meet her and you're going back down?
Likewise, and be good. Take care.
Get one leg for Christmas next year, though.
Both of them.
Yeah, both of them.
Yeah, one from the left from her and the right.
And
Like it, mommy.
Are you first meeting it?
All right, go. Let's go. We're going to get a bag.
oh, so you got 2 sweets up, Ms.Sylvia.
So far.
One is on the tree, yes. Sadly, all of the sweets up are turning black. Like there's some kind of virus or something blue on it, you know. Because most of the sweets up tree are like this. You'll get sweets up in about, yeah. Aki and Kellyanne and thyme. This is some cinnamon leaf. Alright, so, but you get this mint. You didn't get any of the peppermint.
No, we have that one.
Oh, you have that one already. Oh, you get a whole heap of Skully, go and look it for you now. Alright, awesome. So you get thyme, you get Aki, scallion, coolie plum, sweet sap, and you get this to plant. It's easy to catch, you know, the
That's what your
mulberry.
husband said.
Yes, very easy to
We're going to make
catch.
some mint tea out of this tonight.
Yes. You can dry it and bring it up too.
I know.
Oh, the sorrel. We have to put the sorrel in a bag.
What's it then?
Man,
Sorrel.
me find it, trust me, me find it.
So when you go home, you have to open it and put it back in the sun.
Okay.
Make it dry more.
How about that, busy?
Sorry.
Sorrel. Yeah, sorrel.
I'm leaving on the
Miss
5th.
Sylvia get some Cersei, some sour sap leaf. Good for your nerves.
Yeah, they say good.
Yeah.
Our own died.
But this one, it has some little things
Yeah,
and the leaf.
Insect.
Yeah.
The stick.
But we sprayed it the other day with the organic fertilizer. And you see we put the ashes at the root to give it some
Nourishment.
yes. So come do your presentation again, Skully. We didn't catch it
There.
at camera.
I can't glad to see you no more. Happy to see you. And I hope your store basket may never empty at this day till this moment at the fresh part of the year. Come look for Skully.
Yeah.
Happy to see you, man.
And this flowers
Grateful
now.
auntie. And this flowers now set it in a jar. I want to catch you, call it Skully. Yeah, man. Call it Skully.
And Skully bring our
I
noonie.
will.
Yes.
Yo, auntie, just tell me when you come in that me can look stuff for you. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Because I ain't look no stuff for you now. This week.
Alright, look when me coming.
Yeah, man.
Me want to come up before she.
Is it? Anytime you come, my boy, auntie, I forget to you. Know.
Tell your husband me say thanks.
Alright.
But whatever.
Yes, you're
Anything
welcome.
you get, auntie, I forget.
Yeah, she will get.
Auntie, if you want it, pan him, man, I want it.
So Skully, you get taken care of by
Oh
Ms.Sylvia.
my God, I couldn't ask you more.
Huh?
Ms.Sylvia,
Yes, sir.
live forever, yeah? Live forever. Promise.
Thank you. Thank you.
Live forever. And I
Yeah.
appreciate this more. Show them know. I'm grateful, you know. For much and enough, right, sir?
Yes, that's what it's supposed to be.
Very grateful.
Yes.
Don't tell me not grateful.
I know.
Sylvia, respect.
Respect.
Every time.
I didn't grab man.
No, but somebody in
I'm just a gardener, man.
him do the garden.
Yes. I him do all of the
Yeah,
pretty up
So
with the
God,
flowers.
So where the in-growth one is?
He's not here.
Oh, you know.
Yeah.
One if you come on there, we auntie can go use the in peanut to beat in a mortar. Boom.
Yeah.
As can see a mortar, you know.
We are set it up, man. I'm gonna set it up really retro, like back in the days,
Yeah, man.
so everybody come can enjoy. And
And my brother and want a peanut, me can come get peanut. And say, go beat see the boom. I mean, no say I come, Ms.Sylvia.
let me actually your
You
phone
are
now.
shy.
where-
Huh?
Beat peanut in a matter.
Yeah, what do you?
Me about it. You know, man.
Hey, me build the concrete mortar, you know, we smooth and pretty, I'm take fire. No, me take fire, I'm chop up and beat tongue out, and take fire and put in it, and take my chisel and chop out. Yeah, and take some paper and rub out the old time people mortar there, you know, and plate and beat it, beat the can, and beat anything more and beat in, me beat in.
One of the yours.
Comprehensive, and I'm me see this, me
Small
see
sticky
this.
way, no?
And the stick.
You want to pay yours?
We must see be clean and white and pretty like a
Water
wa.
is still there, you know, but
And me do all my
it's
cassava to them, Ms.Sylvia.
The matter still away?
Me bammy, you know.
supposed to be
Me
there.
grate and me cassava, you know. Put it on me grate and grate it myself. And me want press one mango tree now. So me take me bow wire and me put it on the mango tree root like so. The bow wire and me fold up it and me get 2 pieces of stick. Me 55, you know, so me know me a talk about. And me put 2 pieces of stick on it like so. And then me put some big stone on top of it now. And by tomorrow morning, cassava will squeeze out and press. Which I'm dish pan. And me come out now. Rub up that lump in my head. Rub up that. And then me sieve it. And then me put it on my fridge. Because it can't go on the fridge if you don't sieve it, you know. Because it go hard, me sieve it. Because it go cool.
Okay.
When you sieve it now, you just burn through. When you sieve now, I want to now, you just go bake. You just go bake.
Yeah.
I shall return as come to Franklin.
Go a friend, go give one of my friend, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, one of my friend come from out to me say, he said, "Bam you want?" Me say, "Bam you man, bam you get man." Cause me have cassava, you know. And me just go my yard, come in.
We're gonna do a video with Skully and make the bammy.
Right a foot.
Yes.
In a cold stove.
Yeah.
Make up. I'm shine dirty put on fire, make me see this. She say, "Boy, proper thing I come off."